Hello everybody, as Simple here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to fix Google Play Store not working. It's an easy process, so let's start. So, if your Google Play Store not working, then first of all just restart your device by holding the power button and you will see the restart button will be showing there. So first of all restart your device. After that, if didn't work, then go to the settings and then click to the apps options and then click to the see all apps and then go and find Google Play Store. Here you can see Google Play Store. Just force stop this and go to the storage and cache option. Just clear cache and clear storage. After that, the Play Store will be working. Google Play Store will be working now. So hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.